Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download free games on your laptop or PC. So if you have any PC or laptop and you want to download games for free, then follow these steps. So first, as you can see, you have to open up Microsoft Store. If you don't find it here, then just click on search tab or search bar, click on it and then type here Microsoft Store and then just click on open. Click on it. And if you don't know how to open Microsoft account, then please make sure check out my channel. You will find out. And then just click on search tab, click on it, and then you can search any game. Like let's say I want to download car game. So I will just type car games here. And then I will just click on search. And here will be all games that Microsoft offer for free. So as you can see, some have like paid games, but mostly are these are free. So if you want to download any of these, then just click on it, and then after that wait few minutes, not minutes actually, it's just second. I have some internet issues, so then after that, if you want to download this game on your PC or laptop, then just click on get. Get means it's installation or download, whatever. Just click on get and it will take some times, depends on your internet connection. So as you can see, we successfully downloaded the game. So now we can just play this game. But if you want to play this game, just close it. You can copy the name actually. Copy the game name and then close it. And then click on search word and then paste it here, the game name. So it will be here. And then if you want to play this game, then just click on pin to taskbar. So you can easily access from here, from taskbar. So if I just click on it, I can play the game.